hold the gun is like this. Very, very simple. Now, we start very lightly, but of course we want to come to a situation that is real. Real is not this. This is not real. Real is this. This is real. Guys, let's start slowly. The gun will be here just to learn the technique. This, like the knife yesterday, this is not enough. This is not enough. Sometimes we have people with very strong hands. It's hard to us to go in because we do what we did with the pelvis yesterday. Oh, here, from here, boom! Just inside, we're going to punch his face. Bam, 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 bam. The dismantling of the gun is less important. A little bit of scientific facts. Finger on the trigger. It will take him between 0.3 0.7 seconds to do this. This is the amount of time it takes to the brain to understand that something happened. Boom. This is his first reaction. Whenever a man is under stress, he contracts. The first thing I don't want to see is a bullet entering my brain. So again, here, not here, we talked about it yesterday. Oh! Boom! Now there's a shot. Until he understands that something happened, boom! To the face. I'm not messing with 1, 2, 3, 4. I have no time because you want to take the gun away afterwards.
Oui. Le principe est le même qu'avec le couteau en fait, c'est agir en explosivité. Parce qu'il dit le temps de. Si le mec est en stress, la première chose qu'il va faire c'est appuyer sur la gâchette. Donc ça prend entre 0,3 secondes et 0,7 secondes à faire, donc il faut que ça soit très très rapide.
Okay guys, so from here, boom, 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 boom! That will be the reaction, very, very simple. Afterwards we'll talk about dismantling the gun. If you want, of course, instead of here, at the chest, at the shoulder, to see that they have a little bit of impact on the body. The gun stays away from you, away at all times, okay? Good, come on.